Hi, I'm Amelia, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to talk about troubles that you have with your hair. There's a couple things that make up a bad perm. There's too much frizz, the curl could be too tight, or the curl could be very lazy, where it's just sort of straggly and just hanging at the bottom. Now, if the curl's too tight, as soon as you're done with the perm, go home and wash it several times. In between washing it, make sure that you condition it. So wash it, condition it, wash it, condition it, wash it, condition it. And what that will do is that'll help relax the perm. Another thing I want you to do is go home and do a deep conditioning treatment. When you're done with washing it, do a deep conditioning treatment, and that will also help weigh out that curl. When you're styling it, get a anti-frizz product, a smoothing product, and use your hands and kind of help pull that curl out. Now, if it's really, really bad, wait a week, and you can go back to the salon, and they can actually straighten it for you chemically, and that'll help pull the curl out. If it's too frizzy, and that's from over-processed, you're going to want to use an anti-frizz product. So just anything heavy, you're going to want to use something pretty heavy, and on your hair when it's wet. And again, when your hair's not quite wet, I should say, more like damp, you're just going to want to kind of scrunch it in. And that's going to help form those curls a little bit better. Same with the lazy curls. If it's more straggly up top and just sort of lazy at the bottom, well, actually, you can have fun with that. Use a product, a curling product, something for lazy curls. You may need a trim. You may need to go in and have some layers put in. And put the curl product in, emulsify it in your hands, scrunch it in, and as you're drying it, really scrunch the hair. And this is what I mean by scrunch. You know, really pull that hair up and get it into the palm of your hand, holding the dryer. Any spots that don't want to curl, you can take the curling iron and just hit them, and it'll make it look a little bit more uniform. And that's how to get through a bad perm.